Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to read manga in Manga Plus. Want to read manga on Manga Plus? Yes, the easiest way to start and reading instantly. The first step is open the app. Open the Manga Plus on your phone or your PC. Then the second step is use browser or search. Use the search bar to find your favorite manga or scroll through the trending and latest section. Then the on the page select the series. Type the manga title you want to read. You will see the list of available chapter and here you will see the source option. Then select the series or manga and tap the manga title you want to read or you will see a list of available chapter and open a chapter and tap a chapter to start reading and use tabs to gesture arrow or arrow buttons to move between pages. And the last step is optional features. You can bookmark your favorite manga, add to library or change reading modes. And that's how you read a manga on Manga Plus easily. And thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.